Welcome to part 1 of our Subway training program. In this section, you'll learn how to make a number 10, the All-American. Let's get started. First, you're going to grab a foot long of Italian bread. Then you're going to cut it at a 45-degree angle to ensure that all of your veggies sit in the middle of the sandwich. Next, open your bread and then grab 6 slices of turkey. Then take 6 slices of ham. After the ham, add 8 slices of cheese. After the cheese goes 4 slices of bacon. At this point of your creation, you can choose to toast it or to not toast it. The original sandwich does not come toasted. Next, you're going to grab 1.5 ounces of lettuce, 6 tomatoes placed end to end, 0.5 ounces of onions, and 3 lines of mayo. Now you're going to close it and cut it in half and get ready to wrap it. And there you have it, a number 10, the All-American. Stay tuned for part 2 to learn how to make a number 15, the Tidy Turkey.